symbol. So we can just simply write it as AB for any of the line ray or line segment we are talking about. It can be understood from the context. Now, let's talk about what is an angle. So when two line segments or lines, they cross each other, they cut each other at any point. So the point at which they cut each other is known as the vertex, and this speed or the line that is bounded by two surfaces. Okay, now these are known as the arms of the angle, and this portion is known as the angle. This is angle and this is the arm of angle, right? And this is the vertex. So in this chapter, now there are different types of angles. So since I'm taking up the topic vertically opposite angles are equal, so I'm coming to that topic. Now we have just taken up this for concept that what are angles and lines. Now I have to explain that vertically opposite angles are equal. Now what are the vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angles. So these angles, let's suppose that there are two lines AB and CD. These two lines, they cut each other at any point O. So the angle AOC and angle DOB will be known as vertically opposite angles. Similarly, angle AOD and angle COB will be known as the vertically opposite angles. So these are the vertically opposite angles. Now we have to explain that these angles are equal. Okay, so I'm placing single dot over here, double dot over here, just to differentiate between the two. Now, in order to explain this, we should know linear pair. What is linear pair? When any line is there and straight line is there, a straight ray is there, and another line cuts it from any point, then the angles that are the adjacent angles that are formed, their sum is always equal to 180 degrees. That is this straight angle. Now we are already familiar of this linear pair. We are going to use this concept. Now, since CD is a line, CD is a line. So if CD is a line, then in this case we can say that angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees. What will be the reason? The reason will be linear pair. Similarly, we can say that AB is a line. AB is a line. So if AB is a line, then again angle AOD plus angle B or DOB, we can write it as DOB to 180 degrees, and the reason remains the same, that is the linear pair. I'm writing it as LP, linear pair. Now we can name this as equation number 1, equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, what is the conclusion that we can draw? Let's just both are equal to 180 degrees. So we can equate the left hand side of both the equations, equating equation 1 and 2. So we see that angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to angle AOD plus angle DOB. So this is the equation that we are getting over here. So in this case, we see that angle AOD is present on both the sides, so it will get cancelled. So from here we get that, I am writing it on top just because of this space issue. So it will be angle AOC becomes equal to angle DOB, and this is what we were trying to prove over here. Similarly, we can prove for the other pair, that is angle AOD is equal to angle COB. How we can take the another part? Now we have to prove another part, that angle COB is equal to angle AOD. So in this case, we can consider these three angles, right? Now, angle, since CD is a line, CD is a line, so angle COB plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree, and the reason being linear pair, I'm writing this as LP. Similarly, AB is a line, AB is a line, so angle BOD plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree, reason being linear pair. Okay, this is a straight line and the line is cutting it straight over from at one point. So the sum of these angles will be 180 degree, linear pair. So now again, this is equation number 3 and equation number 4, equating equation 3 and equation 4. So what we get, since the left hand side, since the right hand side of both the equations are equal, we can equate the left hand side. So angle COB plus angle BOD is equal to angle BOD plus angle AOD. From both the ends, we can say that now on the both sides, that is on the left hand side and right hand side, angle BOD is present. So both the of them cancel, and we get angle COB becomes equal to angle AOD. And these are the vertically opposite angles, and we can prove from here. Okay, so hence we have proved that vertically opposite angles are equal, right? And this is the concept that we were taking.